Ladies and gentlemen, today we are here to present the new eMOB 180, the last tube bending machine which is fully electric, composed by 11 CNC servo-controlled axes, which is controlled by a home-run CNC control system. The new eMOB 180 is characterized by stability, rigidity and robustness. This new tube bending machine is capable of bending pipes up to a diameter of 180 mm with a thickness of 11 mm, or in American dimensions, is capable of bending two tubes up to a 6-inch nominal bore with Schedule 80. The extractor unit is equipped with a high-precision ball screw system and linear guideways. The extractor unit is capable of an extraction force of 50 tons. The booster carriage unit is equipped with two high-precision planetary gearboxes. These gearboxes allow a high-precision positioning of the tube in the axial axis. This axis is capable of a booster force of 83 kN. The vertical axis uses a helical rack system to provide the best positioning of the booster carriage and the mandrel unit. Furthermore, this axis is equipped with a pneumatic hybrid system which allows our customers a low electrical consumption. The bending axis is equipped by two high-precision helical gearboxes with low backlash, which enable this machine to produce high-precision bends, as well as a spring-back control system which helps the bending process. Despite the big size of this machine still has a quick bending speed. The eMOB 180 is equipped by a single vertical forward pressure die system. This system allows our customer to have a single pressure die, because when you think about a pressure die with 400 kilograms, it is very important in terms of ergonomy and setup times to improve these two factors to its maximum, which is to have the best ergonomy for the operators of this machine as well as a reduced setup time. So the new eMOB 180 represents the latest and ultimate technology available in the tube bending industry market.